Looking for the best power supplies for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 power supplies that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a power supplies that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended power supplies. Number 1 on the list is Seasonic Focus SGX 650. The Seasonic product line also deserved better representation, and their Focus Gold power supply series really speaks for the masses. With an almost insignificant 2 to 4% drop in efficiency, the Focus Gold series reigns supreme when it comes to accessibility. The Seasonic Focus Gold lineup comes in a semi-modular form, with the 24 and 8-pin cables permanently attached to the SU cage. Unlike the higher-tier Platinum power supplies, this one only rocks a 2-step smart fan-controlled feature, which keeps the fan running silently while running loads smaller than 50% of the maximum capacity. The overall size is more compact, leaving room for a 120mm fan. It's still plenty big to provide adequate cooling, and the hydraulic bearing will make it run silently even at full load. Second on the list is Corsair Xy Platinum. Corsair is another reputable name in the component industry. Their HXi Platinum power supplies are ideal for people who are on the market for high wattage, highly efficient power supplies. The clean industrial design and metallic finish make for a beautiful unit, a great choice if you're planning on building a beautiful system. In terms of utility, the Corsair Xy Platinum series brings a lot of extra features to their power supplies. For starters, the 92 to 94% efficiency means that your entire system runs cooler and draws less power from the outlet. Number 3 on the list is EVGA Supernova Bronze. While the first EVGA featured product was intended to be used in high-end systems, we've decided that the SU Kings should be represented by a product that can sit comfortably in any sort of system. That's where the EVGA Supernova SU lineup comes in. With wattages varying between 450 and 1600 watts, anyone can take advantage of the build quality and safety features that are present in the Supernova Bronze lineup. It's designed to be silent, efficient, and versatile. While the Supernova Platinum featured cutting-edge SU technology, this one compensates with a solid, time-tested design. With a 130mm fan that's equipped with hydraulic dynamic bearings, UVP, OCP, OP, SCP and OVP heavy-duty protections, and a 7-year manufacturer guarantee, it's clear to see that this isn't much of a hard sell. Number 4 on the list is EVGA Supernova Platinum. EVGA are well renowned for their power supplies, being one of the leading manufacturers in this particular segment of the PC component market. Their Supernova Platinum product line features Japanese brand capacitors that make this power supply reliable in the long term. With a 10-year warranty, EVGA signs off on the superior quality of their Supernova Platinum power supplies, giving you the comfort of knowing that your power supply is going to outlast most of your relationships. Sad trombone jokes aside, the build quality of the power supplies in this particular lineup is stellar. From braided cables to a double-bearing 140mm fan, everything is premium and well designed to deliver stable current in silence. EVGA continues to impress with the quality of their power supplies and the efficiency of their designs. The EVGA Supernova Platinum power supplies are built to power high-end gaming battle stations or productivity powerhouses. With wattages that vary between 650-1600 watts, you can find one for almost any type of build. The higher the wattage, the more cables you're getting, ensuring compatibility with multi-GPU builds. The fully modular design is welcome for any build, as it ensures good cable management and makes cable routing effortless. But the fact that EVGA chose to go with cable sleeves instead of going with individually braided cables is disappointing, especially for this tier of product. You're also getting over and under voltage protection, short circuit and overpower protection, the best quality that money can buy. The double-bearing 140mm fan ensures that the unit stays cool and quiet, the 80+ platinum efficiency rating also adding to the low temperatures. Overall, We strongly recommend this power supply for any mid to high-end system. If you're running a powerful GPU plus CPU combo, then power efficiency is important. Number 5 on the list is Corsair CX Series CX600. The Corsair CX Bronze series is designed to offer people who are looking to build a PC on a budget a high-quality durable power supply. The units in this lineup come in modular and non-modular versions, giving the user more control over how they want to price and build their PC. With that in mind, the Corsair CX Bronze series does have its faults. It is the least efficient power supply on our list. It also has the shortest warranty, with only 3 years covered by the manufacturer vendor. Even though it's not a premium power supply, it still managed to run cool and silent and somewhat efficient since it's still an 80+ bronze rating power supply. Just now is a list of 5 best power supplies that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.